Yes, here is the place of Power BI target, visualization. Creating charts and let me say dashboards in Power BI is the easiest way in comparison with Excel. I heard easy. Yes, let's learn this easy way of creating dashboards. Data visualization. We have passed our old steps and now we are in this interesting lesson. It is called visualization step. According to Mr. Moses' sketch, we are gonna create such dashboard. Let's start. Select report section here. This is a place for presenting our efforts in Power BI. Page size in Power BI. The first and important phase, which is not mentioned much, is page size. I recommend you, before starting any phase, create the page size. Let's create the page size. I click on this empty place. The page is selected. Then click on this roller. This is the format icon. Here you can see the format options are appeared. Page information is the page name. We can change it to dashboard and other options. We can also change the page color, the alignment, the wallpaper, and any other formats we will talk about on designing section. And let's go through the page size. In type section, I open this drop-down menu. I select custom and start to type A4 sizes. Okay, now it is time to insert the sketch. Card in Power BI. The first content in a sketch is budget. It is not a chart. It is something like a text shape which we have in Excel. So for this purpose in Power BI, we use card. If I click on card icon in visualization bar, it is added to this middle empty place. I want to see budget here. Budget was in planned cost. I open planned cost and drag and drop this budget into this card. So simple, dragging and dropping. I resize it. In a sketch, we have 3 other cards, same like budget. So select budget card, Ctrl C and Ctrl V from keyboard. Again, I repeat the procedure to have 2 other cards. Click on the second card and remove budget. Drag planned cost into it. It is showing planned cost right now. So easy. The third and fourth cards, I click and remove budget. According to our sketch, the third is actual cost and the first is overrun. So we don't have overrun in these transform data. We need to write docs for it. Let's talk about it in docs section, or in Power BI it is called measurement. Charts in Power BI. A stacked area chart. Here we have chart in a sketch and it is like a stacked area chart. So I click on the empty place. Make sure the cards are not selected and select the stacked area chart from visualization bar. Donut chart. Mr. Mo used donut chart here. I select donut chart. As you see, it is not added. The stacked area chart is changed into donut. Because it was selected, I told you when you want to add a visual, make sure to select the empty area. First, I change this chart to stacked area and select the empty area, then press on donut chart. It is added. Clustered bar chart. Again, click on empty place and select clustered bar chart. Waterfall chart. And the last is waterfall chart. Select the empty place and insert waterfall chart. Okay, it is adding data time. Add data in the charts of Power BI. I resize them and add data into these charts. The third card, as we have talked, is overrun, so it needs docs. We need to type formula for it. The stacked area chart is the comparison of physical person complete and actual person complete, which is again docs. Now the donut chart. It is budget according to the subcontractors. So I selected, drag budget into the chart, and again drag subcontractors into it. It is automatically set into the chart. Most of the time, automatic does its job perfectly. Here in Legend section on visualization bar, you can see they are set into their places. We can also change their place according to our needs. I prefer to add them again because the automatic most of the time fulfills our needs. The clustered bar chart is planned on actual cost percent, so it needs docs. Leave it for docs section. And the waterfall chart. I selected. It is budget by the activity name. I can drag and drop budget into the chart or drop it into values and fields section. And the category is the activity name. I recommend you, it is better to drag and drop into charts directly. Until now, we have added the charts and fields. It looks raw. We need to type measures, or let me say docs, then fill the other charts. Finally, design the chart and make it ready for presenting. Let's go through to the next step, and it is docs.